4-stroke motorized bicycle. I get about 35 miles an hour out of it. It's a 49cc 4-stroke. I get 40 mile an hour out of it. This is my top end, but I get there pretty quickly. Don't go cheap on your transmission. You will burn up a cheap transmission. This was about $100 on Amazon.com. Dual chain transmission from Bikeberry. Very good transmission, and it gives you more low end torque. Yeah, you lose your top end. I go 40 mile an hour instead of 40 45, but it's worth it. You will want to upgrade your chain tensioner. Build something similar to this with a spring, so you have give, so your chain is not too loose or too tight. Any other system for tensioning your chain will stretch and stress your chain. It'll be out of line. This is the best system I've come up with for chain tension here. I've got a 32 tooth sprocket. That's a preference. It gives me a little bit more at my top end, so I'm not just going 30 mile an hour. I could go for the higher tooth sprocket and get more low end, but I'd probably only do about 30. 24-inch tires gives me more of that low end back that I lose with that sprocket. So I'm just kind of transitioning between high and low end gear ratios to keep it in the middle, so it doesn't wear on my clutch when I take off, but it also keeps me at that top end of about 35 miles an hour. I went 4-stroke instead of 2-stroke. Yes, the 2-stroke is more upgradable and can go faster and so on and so forth, but I find the 4-stroke more reliable. Let's see here if she'll make me a liar or if she'll start in one pull. There we go.